Welcome to JH. MoneyboxApp.com claims to be the magic wand for your empty wallet, promising wealth building for everyone regardless of how many pennies you're currently hiding under the sofa. It's designed to give you the tools and info to reach those financial goals you keep making every New Year's Eve. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? But before you start dreaming of yachts, you're probably wondering if this app is actually legit or just another digital black hole for your cash. Stick around, because we're going to dissect this thing to see if it's worth your storage space. The first good sign is that the numbers actually look decent for once. Moneybox is sitting pretty on the Play Store with a 4.3-star rating and over 1 million downloads, while the App Store crowd loves it even more, ranking it 28th in finance with a staggering 4.8 stars. Apparently, nearly 70,000 people can't be wrong, or at least they're all very good at following instructions. They also have a massive social media presence, with over 87,000 followers on Instagram. It turns out people actually enjoy engaging with their money apps instead of just staring at their declining balances in silence. Transparency is another win here, as they openly name their leadership, including co-founder Ben Stanway. Knowing there's a real human in charge makes it feel a bit more accountable, unless he's planning a quick exit to a non-extradition country. If things do go sideways, they provide an actual phone number, email, and a physical address. This is a rare luxury in an era where most companies hide behind a broken chatbot named Dave who can't understand basic English. Now for the reality check, because nothing is ever perfect. While users generally love the app for managing ISAs, there are some grumbles. Some people find the new layout about as easy to navigate as a corn maze, and others have struggled to change their weekly deposit dates. It seems the app is great at taking your money, but a little clingy when you try to adjust the schedule. However, despite these minor UI headaches, the consensus is that it's a reliable and easy way to save. Overall, Moneybox looks like a solid, trustworthy platform to manage your wealth. Thanks for sticking around till the end.